Dear students, now we discuss about the another chapter, a pair of linear equations in two variables. Already you learn about linear equations in 9th standard and 8th standard. What is meant by linear equations? Linear equations are the equations in which its highest degree is 1. It having highest degree 1, this type of equations are called linear equations. And there are two types of linear equations. One is linear equations in one variable and linear equations in two variables. The linear equations in one variable means it is also linear equations. Its highest degree is 1. It has only one variable. It has only one variable. The general form of linear equations in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Equations means it has both LHS and RHS and also equal sign. This is called equations. Therefore, linear equations means it is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Already how to solve the linear equations in one variable in 8th standard and 9th standard. Okay, for example, we take one of the example. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solve the linear equations or find the value of x. In this problem or in this equation, it has only one variable. Its highest degree is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in one variable. It has highest degree 1. It has only one variable x. Therefore, it is called linear equation in one variable. How to solve this equation? Means 3x is one of the algebraic expression or monomial. It can be written as it is. Plus 2 is a number. It can be shifted on right side. Therefore, 0 plus 2 shifted to right side minus 2. Therefore, 3x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. 3 into x. Therefore, 3 can be shifted to right side. It is divided by. Therefore, minus 2 by 3. Therefore, the value of x is minus 2 by 3. In this way, we solve the linear equation in one variable. In this chapter, we learn about how to solve the linear equations in two variables. These are the linear equations in which its highest degree is 1 and also with two variables. Means it is in the general form of linear equations is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Linear equations in two variables means these are the linear equations. Means its highest degree is 1 and also it has two variables. Means it has two variables like x and y are the two variables. Its highest degree is 1. Therefore, the general form of linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this equation, there are two variables x and y and its highest degree is 1. Therefore, it is called as linear equation in two variables. For example, how to solve this linear equation? For example, we take one of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. It is the linear equation. It's having a degree is 1 and it has two variables. How to solve this linear equation? What are the solution for x and y? When we put x is equal to 1, the value of y is what? Means x plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Plus x shifted to right side. It is minus x. Therefore, 3 minus x. Put x is equal to 1. Means 3 minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. When put x is equal to 1, the value of y is 2. Therefore, 1 and 2 are the solution for the given equation. When we put x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? Means 0 plus y is y is equal to 3. Or y is equal to 3 minus x. y is equal to 3 minus 0 means 3 minus 0 means 3. Therefore, the value of y is 3. 0 and 3 are the solution for the given equation. When we put the value of x is 2, we get the value of y is equal to 3 minus x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. When we put x is equal to the value of x is equal to 3, we get the value of y is 3 minus 3, 0. This process is continuous. It does not end. When we put x is equal to 4, when the number of x number is increases, the value of y is 3 minus 4 means minus 1. When we put x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to 3 minus 5 means minus 2. When we put x value, we get another y value. The corresponding value is we get. Therefore, this process is continuous. It does not end. It is infinitely many solutions. The one equation, the given equation is only one equation. Therefore, it has infinitely many solutions. We cannot find the unique solution for only one equation. Because of this reason, when we solve the linear equations in two variables, we must having two linear equations. Because of this reason, the unique linear equations in one variable, in this case, only one equation is there. It has only one solution. One solution, one equation. But in the linear equation in two variables, there are two unknown values. Therefore, we must take two equations for solving the linear equation. Therefore, for example, x plus y is equal to 3 is one of the equation. X minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. There are two equations. Therefore, x is equal to, shifted to right side, y plus 2. The value of x is y plus 2. Substitute y plus 2. X is equal to y plus 2 plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, 2y plus 2 is equal to 3. 2y is equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore, 2y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 2 or off. By substituting the value of y is off, we get 2 and off, or denominator same. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2 and 1 by 2 is the two solution. These are the unique solutions. When we take the two linear equations, we solve the equations easily by using substitution method. We get two the values of x and y. These x and y are unique solutions. Only one x value, only one y value we get by solving these two equations. In the equations are changed. X is y plus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 5 or 6. 6. X plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, in this way, x plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the value of x is 8. The value of y is 2. It is also solved by using the same method. There are many solutions, many methods to solve the linear equations in two variables. There are 4 methods to solve the linear equation in 4 variables. The methods are, first one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. The fourth one is graphical method. These linear equations can be easily solved by using graphical method. By drawing a graph of two equations. These two equations are intersect at a point, then we draw a perpendicular. From that point we easily find the solution by using graphical method. And also this linear equations can be solved by another three methods by using substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method. In the exam you you learn about only one method, clear about, or only one method is perfect. You can easily solve the linear equations on two variables. Okay students.